Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Raksha. So today's video is quite interesting. You'll be taken to a different places and make sure you watch till the end. So today we are going to visit Gudalur and Devala. We are going to visit Devala because we want to visit a temple, and we are going to stay in Gudalur and a beautiful homestay as well. We started from Mysore and it took around 1 hour 45 minutes and so for us to reach. We had to cross Bandipur Forest Reserve, and here is the entry fees. I vaguely remember paying entry fees all these days. This is new to me. We had a deep discussion about the entry fee being right and wrong. Feel free to drop your comments below. Since it was sunny, I don't remember seeing a lot of animals except deer. Then we entered Nilgiris and also known as Madumalai Forest Reserve. So Bandipur is called on the edge of Karnataka and Madumalai in the Tamil Nadu. The entry fees for the Madumalai is 30 rupees. I am greatly confused for the reason being collected. If you are confused about the e-pass for Tamil Nadu, I'm going to answer that question here. So e-pass is not mandatory to enter Tamil Nadu, but however, if you are entering to Ooty, e-pass is must required. It just takes couple of minutes to apply, and the approval also you will take 1 or 2 minutes, so it should not be a problem. So the place where we are looking is now Devala, a beautiful hill station. If you have not explored it, try this. You will love it. Then we came to visit the temple, but however, since we reached around noon, the temple was closed, so we had to return. This is a beautiful homestay which I was talking about. We had a wonderful plants, flowers, and a scenic beauty, I can say. This estate is almost like 6 acres of estate. I got to speak with the owner. So she's a doctor basically, and they served for the tribes. She told me that they came years ago and they have settled here. The homestay which is been converted now was a school before, and now they have moved the school to a different place, and also they have a hospital along with that. The motto behind what they were working was really interesting, but they had a lot of challenges before, she informed. A small note which was left in front of cottage mentioned that there might be a visit of elephants at night, please store indoors. Even a small sound gave me a thought of an elephant later. I should mention they have the wonderful estate with coffee being majority places, and also lot of fruits, jackfruit, this grapefruit, and lot of vegetables as well. I took time to visit and pick up few of the veggies and fruits which I could. So I had ordered for some dinner. The homestay, however, they cook only veg. So in case if we want some non-veg or something, we had to place an order. So you don't have a Zomato or Swiggy there, but however, some local apps and some local contacts will help you to deliver the food. And also some restaurants deliver the food. We enjoyed the first day with the scenic beauty and the beautiful rain and wonderful food. So for dinner, we got some chicken from outside and chapatis, dal, and tomato rice and potato curry was served. And my baby also had a chance to enjoy with her great grandmother. And that's it. The first day I wrapped up with cleaning, and there were some leftovers which I didn't want to waste, so put them in fridge. And next day we went to Ooty. So this is the beautiful view of Nilgiris. We enjoyed the great scenic beauty of tea estate and beautiful trees there. I had a old friend of mine who's working in Ooty, so we plan to visit him. I'm taking you to 150-year-old church which is in Ooty. அம்மா ஆ யா ಬಂಗಾರಿ
உள்ள போங்க அப்படியே சுற்றுவாங்க
ஆ
கீழே கீழே இறங்கி போய்.
This cemetery belongs to the stenographer of Swami Vivekananda. This church is called Saint Thomas Church, but however, this is not the main church. There is a church which was 200-year-old church, Saint Stephen's Church, but since the place was not enough for the prayers, this church was
நிற்கோம்மா
constructed.
ஃபுல்லாக வரும் நிற்க முடியும் இவங்க நின்னா ஃபுல்லாக வரும்
எங்கே எழுதிருக்கு கவர்மெண்ட்
எழுதி கேட்டுருக்காங்க
இப்படியே போடலாமா?
வில்லியம் ஃபெட்ரிக் ஆடம்
ಆ ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್
ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್
ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ಸ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ವಾರ್ ಅದು ಒನ್ನುம் இல்லையா?
செகண்ட் வேர்ல்டு வார் இல்லை, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வேர்ல்டு வார் மட்டும்.
ஆமாவா? ஓகே. This is almost 150-year-old piano, and this is a beautiful church, and some classes were going on for the kids inside. So because of that, we didn't want to disturb for a long time, and we just came out. This is my friend and his wife, and this is my family. And the church was built in 1867, and later we stopped by for lunch, and this was a very beautiful place, I can say. So they had a lot of different varieties of flowers, and that was an amazing point. So the food also was quite good, and we all loved it. We came this way because we wanted to visit Emerald, but we changed our plan and just moved around the city and later returned back. So we had stayed in Gudalur basically, and we just got some dinner for night. So the food which was served was very amazing. Fish and fish curry was brought from outside, however. And next day we wanted to go for a safari, so we started our day very early. On the way we could see lots and lots of elephants and some deers. So we all were excited about the safari because there was a note which was left that yesterday and day before yesterday they could find tigers and leopards and so many other animals. So we all were looking forward, and for our luck we spotted leopard there. I'm not sure if you can see, but the leopard is sleeping on the tree. I had my baby girl in my hand. I couldn't zoom it further. I must tell you this funny thing what happened. So she was playing standing. She just got bit of hurt on her right cheek and she started screaming and she woke the sleeping leopard. Oh, calming her down was a great task. And later we also saw some bisons and we found a lot of peacocks. So we started our safari around 8 a.m. So this was a quite good time to see all of this. So we found some eagles also. The travel time will be 1 hour 15 minutes depending on the animals you find. So this was quite exciting. So we also found a lot of elephants while coming back. And that's it for today. Thank you for being with me this long. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel to see more vlog content. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.